Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today's video is a special announcement. It's about a special giveaway for Janie the Craft Princess here on YouTube. I will have links to her YouTube page and everything down below. When she reaches 1 million views, she's going to be giving away, I want to say it's $100 gift package, sponsored by ModPodge and Plaid. Their icons are over on the left hand side, and this is a really big deal. 1 million views is a huge accomplishment. So for this giveaway to happen, I just need you guys to go into the more section. You can click over to Janie's YouTube channel, watch some videos. She's got great tutorials on there, help build up her view times or view watches, and that way this giveaway will happen sooner rather than later. And I will put links up here in the upper left. I'm gonna put a iCard here. You can also click there to get over to Miss Janie. And I just want to say congratulations to her. I know it's so exciting. 1 million views is nothing to just throw away or think, well, whatever. I mean, that's a lot. 1 million views, that's a lot. So definitely click on over, watch some videos, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Because like I said, she does some great tutorials, and you can learn a lot from watching her. Great tips and tricks and all that good stuff. Okay, so keep an eye out, keep a watch out, because that giveaway, she will have a video explaining everything that you need to do to have a chance at winning that $100 gift pack from Plaid/Mod. And head on over. Links to them will be down below as well. And like I said, keep an eye out. You don't want to miss it. Thanks, you guys, and you have a great day.